everyone, today I'm going to be showing you all the gorgeous goodies that went into November's Woodland Walk themed SewHayleyJane boxes. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing really well and having a lovely day. Today is November's unboxing day. The boxes were shipped from our studio in Hampshire in the UK on Wednesday. It's now Friday, so lots of the boxes in the UK have started arriving with my lovely subscribers. So I'm enjoying seeing all the unboxing posts on Instagram and Facebook at the moment. But I thought today I will show you all the gorgeous goodies that went into November's boxes. So let's dive straight in. The theme that I went for was Woodland Walk. So I wanted to sort of paint a picture. Imagine it's a Sunday, mid-morning, it's all cold and frosty, and you decide to wrap up warm, put your welly boots on and head out for a muddy walk towards the pub for a roast dinner next to a crackling fire, and then you head back home again for a lovely hot chocolate with marshmallows and whipped cream. That's the kind of theme I'm going for. So it was interesting to try and get all of that into a box of fabric and sewing goodies, but I hope you like what I've done. So every box has a little magazine that I put together, which is crammed full of inspiration, interviews with my lovely subscribers and with the companies whose products are in the boxes each month. There's a tutorial from Tamlin using the fat quarters, and there's some ideas of what to make with your fabric, both from the lovely ladies at the Fold Line and my gorgeous girls, Laura, Gemma and Esther, who get the fabrics each month, and then they write something and photograph it, and it goes in the magazine, and then over the next few weeks those will go up on the blog as well. So with that in mind and the idea of being outdoors, I wanted to go for a slightly different pattern in the luxury box. So I've got the luxury box here, and I'm going to start off with the pattern, which is the noodle head range backpack bag pattern. So we've never had a bag pattern in the boxes before, so I'm super excited. I've been eyeing up the noodle head bag patterns for years, and I've always wanted to give it a go and to make one. So when these became available as paper patterns in the UK, I thought this would be perfect. Also with the fabrics that we've got and the other goodies, it all kind of just went together so nicely. And I've also made another bag which is in the magazine and will be up on the blog and on Instagram over the next few weeks as well. So we're going for a little bit of a bag making theme with this month's boxes, and I'm really excited. I hope people make this bag with the fabric. And if you look on the hashtag and on the Noodlehead Instagram page, there's loads of ideas for different ways you can make this bag to make it really unique. So yeah, I'm looking forward to making this. I'm planning to make this with the main fabric that's in the box as a YouTube video next week or the week after. So keep your eye out for that. I'm really excited. So with bag making in mind, the haberdashery goodie that went into the boxes this month, sorry for the rustling, came in this little bag, which also included the sweets. So every box got 2 butterscotch toffees, which are the perfect sweet to pop in your pocket when you're heading out for a walk as well. And then I also included 2 silver metal D-rings, which are a really useful addition to your haberdashery stash. And if bag making is something that you want to try, these are great for sort of doing connecting ties and things like that, and also a loop, a hanging loop on things like that as well. So yeah, a little something to pop away in your stash. Let me move that over here. Then a few months ago, Laura from the Specky Seamstress got in touch to tell me about her faux leather labels, and it just, like I say, it just all went perfectly, because these will look great on the back of a bag or the inside of a bag, as well as the waistband of jeans or something like that. So the classic and the luxury boxes have 4 labels in 2 different sizes. So there's 2 big labels. One says made by me and the other says stitched with love. And then we've got the same again in a much smaller version as well. So I'm definitely going to pop one of these on my bag when I get that sewn up. You just would pop that on your fabric and do a straight stitch around the outside. You're going to want to make sure you use a heavy duty needle, like a denim needle or something like that. So yeah, I'm really excited to use these. They've got this lovely felt backing as well. So yeah, I'm so excited. And if jeans making is something that you're interested in, these bigger ones will look great on the waistband too. Okay, cracking on then. Every box has a 100-meter reel of Gutermann thread that matches the main fabric. But next we're going to show you the fat quarters, which are so adorable. They really are the cutest. They're called Little Explorers by Craft Cotton Company. And let me hold this up so you can see they feature different woodland animals with little flower crowns and things like that. So we've got an owl, hedgehog, we've got foxes and squirrels, deer and rabbits and other sort of woodlandy things. They're just so cute. I love this one with the tree as well and the fox. This one, these hedgehogs are just adorable. They are so cute. And then this one has bunny rabbits on it as well. So super cute. And Tamlin has done a tutorial in the magazine for hand warmers filled with rice that you pop in the microwave. Again, take that out with you when you go for a walk on a frosty day, and they will be super cute in these little fat quarters as well. Okay, the main fabric for the luxury box is something a bit different. It is this gorgeous corduroy from Dashwood Studio. This has been in the pipeline for the boxes since the spring. I had a Dashwood Studio rep come to see me and show me these fabrics, and when I felt this corduroy, I've always been a bit reluctant to put corduroy in the boxes because it can be quite heavy, but this one is actually quite lightweight and it's so beautiful as well. So I'll open it up a little bit. Obviously it's a corduroy, so it's not drapey, but it's really, really soft. You do have to think about the nap, the direction of the nap with a corduroy, whether you want the nap to sort of stroke down or upwards. But yeah, it's so beautiful. It's called Cyan. So it's this beautiful bright blue background with these circles, dots and sort of bubbles. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this fabric to make the bag. I've ordered some heavyweight denim for the bottom, and then I'm going to look into using some of the fat quarters as the lining and the straps as well. Or I might use this for the straps actually. We'll see. I'll have a play around because you can do all different things with it. So, but this fabric would also make great dungarees or pinafore dresses. The Helen's Closet York pinafore would look gorgeous. Laura made the Jennifer Lauren, let me just remind myself, Jennifer Lauren Jade wrap dress, and that is really gorgeous as well. So loads of different ideas coming at you over the next few weeks for what you can make with this fabric. But it's so beautiful and I'm so excited that it's finally here. So yeah, that is the luxury boxes. So now I will show you the classic boxes, or sort of the classic and the mini box. So the mini box is a smaller version of the classic box with 1 meter of the fabric. The classic box has 2.5. So like I said, every box gets the magazine, the little bag of goodies, matching Gutermann thread. The labels are in the classic and luxury boxes. And then the classic gets 4 of the fat quarters and the mini box gets 3. So that's those. And then the fabric, it's so amazing. Let me pop that down because it's rustling. As soon as I saw this, it was perfect. It is this gorgeous rainbow tartan polyviscose. I cannot wait to use this as well. I am going to be so busy this month with my sewing. It's so beautiful. The viscose makes it gives it a really gorgeous sort of drape, but it's quite heavyweight. So a viscose can be quite lightweight, but this is a poly viscose, so it's got a bit more weight to it. And it almost has a sort of a brushed feel, so it would make gorgeous pajamas as well. But I think this would make a really lovely shirt or shirt dress, that kind of thing. I can see something like the Closet Core. What's the name of their shirt pattern? I can't remember. They've got a really lovely shirt with a sort of dipped, dramatically dipped hem. I think that would look really gorgeous. There's so many ideas. So many. Gemma and Esther both got this fabric this month. Gemma had the mini box and she managed to get a Friday Pattern Company sagebrush top out of it without the ruffle. So that's really gorgeous. And Esther had the classic box and she made the Fibre Mood bell top, which has gorgeous big ruffly sleeves. So like I said earlier, those will be up on the blog over the next few weeks. So make sure to check those out as well. So yes, this is a fabric. It is so stunning. I love it. It's so bright and cheery, but perfect in terms of the weight for this time of year, because like I said, it's got a bit of weight to it as well. So those are the boxes for November. I am so proud of them and so happy, and I cannot wait to see what you all think of them. And I can't wait to see what everybody makes as well. The website is now open for new subscribers who will get their first box in December. So if you want to treat yourself, or maybe leave a little hint that somebody else might treat yourself for Christmas, then you have until the 25th of November to sign up in time to get your first box in December. And I am just finalising all the little details and it's looking so good. So good. It's going to be really exciting. I cannot wait. But I can't wait for the December boxes now. So yes, that's everything. I hope you all have a really lovely day and I will see you all really soon. Bye.